Hey, good morning. I'm Texas Storm Chasers Buddy-in-Chief David Reimer. It is Tuesday, the 21st of February, 2023. Fairly active weather pattern across Texas for the next several days will lead to a variety of interesting weather. First and foremost, though, we'll be looking at the chance for some showers and thunderstorms later this afternoon into this evening. Chance for some showers and maybe a couple storms this afternoon in the borderland, far west Texas, southwest Texas. That'll translate northeast into portions of west Texas, the Permian Basin, and northwest Texas later this afternoon into this evening. We could even see a few stronger storms in portions of northwest Texas extending up into central Oklahoma this evening and tonight, mainly some pocket change size hail, maybe some gusty winds as we see some of those storms progress to the northeast. Tomorrow morning, we're going to likely see those showers progress further east into Texoma, North Texas, Northeast Texas, and maybe just like last week, a thin line of showers and thunderstorms with some gusty winds before we see conditions rapidly clear out from west to east during the morning hours on Wednesday. So we take a look at the chance for precipitation. Here is for this afternoon into tonight. Again, the chance for some scattered showers and storms, while the rainfall probabilistic graphic may be impressive. The overall rain totals are not. We're expecting rain totals to remain below 1/4 of an inch for a vast majority, if not everybody. As we head into Wednesday morning, we'll see those rain chances translate farther to the east into Texoma, North Texas, East Texas, again with a thin line of thunderstorms rapidly moving from west to east tomorrow morning. There could be some gusty winds with that, but widespread severe weather is not expected. And then as we head into tomorrow afternoon, we're going to see skies rapidly clear out across much of the state. In fact, looking at a different kind of graphic than we typically show, this is the simulated high-res rapid refresh tomorrow afternoon at 4 p.m. Central Time, showing mostly clear skies across all of Texas. And then these are little wind barbs. This is just to show you we're expecting another round of very strong westerly, southwesterly winds across the northern two-thirds of Texas tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow is going to be a very windy day across Texas. In fact, we could see wind gusts over 60 miles per hour Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday night across the Texas Panhandle, portions of West Texas down into the Permian Basin and far west Texas, likely resulting in another round of widespread blowing dust moving from southwest and northeast, reducing visibility and causing travel difficulties. As you might expect, taking a look at the fire weather conditions, at least for today, we're going to have high to very high fire danger pretty much across a good chunk of Texas. Highest threat in terms of the widespread very high will be across the Panhandles, West Texas, down to the Permian Basin, western North Texas, and a separate pocket in deep South Texas, the Rio Grande Plains. So we head into Wednesday. The map turns from blue and yellow to all sorts of scary looking colors as a very active fire weather day has the potential to unfold across the western half of Texas, where very high to extreme fire danger is forecast by the Texas Forestry Service. Any fires that develop in conjunction with those very strong winds and what will be very warm temperatures could result in fast-moving wildfires. So we head into Thursday, we're going to see that come back down towards the the moderate to high category across most of the state as we see a cool front nudge its way in from the north. So we take a look at the high temperature forecasts. Today, it's going to be hot. For February, it's going to be hot. We're looking at high temperatures in the middle to upper 80s across most of the population centers of Texas. The Panhandle, 70s. Far West Texas, maybe upper 60s. Everyone else is probably going to be in the 80s this afternoon. San Antonio 86, Austin 85, the DFW Metroplex 86 to 87, Abilene about 87, could be 88 in Vernon. It's going to be hot, no doubt about it. Welcome to spring, folks. So we head into tomorrow, we're going to see middle to upper 90s. Not the temperatures across South Texas into the Rio Grande Plains, just west of Corpus Christi. Looks like tomorrow we're going to be punching up to 95 degrees. Honestly, Laredo may make a run at 100 degrees tomorrow, which is absolutely ridiculous for February. But hey, if you're a summer weather fan, go to Laredo tomorrow. It could be triple digits. Absolutely ridiculous. We'll see middle to upper 80s from, Houston, Austin, San Antonio, you may make a run at 90 tomorrow. Temperatures a bit cooler for the North Texas in the upper 70s to around 80. We're going to see some comparatively cooler temperatures, but very strong winds and blowing dust galore across the Panhandle, West Texas, far West Texas for your Wednesday. So we head into Thursday. We're going to start seeing a little bit of a cool front nudge its way in from the north. You can see that on this temperature graphic where parts of Kansas are not going to get out of the 20s on Thursday, but in Texas, we're still going to be hot. Looking at another round of 90s in the Rio Grande Plains, Rio Grande Valley, 80s, southern half of Texas, translating into the 50s and upper 40s across the northern Texas panhandle. Then you can really see where that cold front starts nudging in on Friday, but it's not going to make much progress before stalling out. Nevertheless, Friday could be a chilly day across the panhandle, northwest Texas, the big country to North Texas, with temperatures in the 40s to low 50s. South of the cold front, it's still going to be in the 80s and even 90s. And by Saturday, we're going to warm back up again as those south winds return to much of Texas. Still plenty of 80s, 70s, still a little cool in northwest Texas with upper 50s, but you can see those 70s returning to the Panhandle, far west Texas. Same thing will go for Sunday, except we're going to see those south winds continue and another upper level storm system arriving, perhaps bringing the chance for thunderstorms, perhaps a severe weather episode to portions of Kansas, Oklahoma, maybe the far eastern Texas panhandle, but very windy conditions expected again on Sunday and Monday. You can keep an eye on the sky with the Texas Storm Chasers interactive weather radar in our free mobile app. Just search for Texas Storm Chasers in your mobile app store. We'll have the next scheduled Texas Weather Roundup up and ready for viewing by 6 a.m. on Wednesday. Y'all have a great Tuesday. God bless.